Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to stop anyone from adding you on WhatsApp groups. So just go into settings, and once you are here, just go into privacy, and here you will see groups. So just click on groups, and here it's already set to everyone. So if you want to stop people from adding you, you can just choose my contacts, and also you can choose my contacts and disable some certain individuals in your contact list from adding you into groups. So just click on this one, and here you can choose which person you want to stop from adding you into WhatsApp. So I'll just go ahead and choose one person, and you can click OK. You can choose as many people as you want. So now that person has been excluded from adding you into any group. So if you guys found this video helpful, do like this video and also subscribe to my channel. I make similar tech content. So thank you and have a nice day.